Hi, this is Carol, and this is part 1 of learning how you can trace part of a sequence that you find on the internet so that you can use it for training. This is good to know if you're trying to maintain the spacing and angulation of the sequence and the challenges in the sequence, because sometimes it does matter about the spacing and angulation. I'm going to start by using a course I have on my website that has grid lines. I actually just have to go down to Carol's Agility courses, and I'm going to bring up a course from Autumn Winds that was done last year in 2009. This particular course is in PDF format, and I'd like to be able to start with the sequence 13 and go to the end because I want to be able to practice this wrap back from 15 back to 17. So the question is, it's in PDF. How do I get it into Clean Run Course Designer? How do I trace it? Because if I bring up Clean Run Course Designer, I no longer can view the course I was just seeing on the internet. There are several programs that are available that allow you to be able to make your top window transparent so that you can see the window beneath it. A lot of these programs are free. I happen to use a program called Ghost It. So all I need to do is activate Ghost It so I can make this top window transparent, my Clean Run Course Designer, so it's transparent. So I'm going to choose Ghost. All I have to do now to make this window transparent is to click. And now that I've done that, you can see Clean Run Course Designer, as I'm moving it around here, is transparent, and I can see the course below. However, I'm not quite ready to start dropping obstacles yet because I need to make sure that my spacing is correct. If you look and I try to line up my grids, you can see that my course, the Clean Run Course Designer course, the grids are larger than the grids behind it. You can see I quickly become larger. This means I do not have the right scale, and I need to rescale the course. I can do that by using the zoom feature in CRCD. Right now I'm at 100%. Let's try 95. At 95%, you can see when I try to line them up again, this first one looks pretty good, but quickly I'm still going off. The grids don't match. Again, my grids in Clean Run Course Designer are slightly larger than the ones below. So I need to resume once more. Let's try 92%. This is trial and error. There's no way around it. At 92%, the grid lines match up perfectly. All I have to do now is to drop my obstacles. I can drop my weave poles, which happen to be 21 inches, my tunnels, which are 15 feet at 180-degree angles. You can play with your handles and the length of these to get the right ones. A lot of this is trial and error to find out what is correct. I know my other tunnel is the same, so I'm just going to copy and paste. And now I can drop my jumps. For now, I'm just going to put them in the approximate area. And all I need to do now is to change the angulation. What I'm trying to do here is to fix it so I cannot see the jump below. Here you can see the jump. I do not want to see the gray below it if I have it placed properly. Okay, now I have that done. I just need to number. I'm going to start with the number 13. I have my numbers in. I can unghost, and I'm done. Here we have the course. I'm at the correct spacing, and I'm complete. I hope you found this useful, and later we'll be able to do this on an international course where we don't have grid lines, so we can talk a little bit more about how do we get the correct scaling. Thank you, and have a good day.